Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth Sync 3 audio system in this 2017 Ford Focus. The first thing we have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over we go to the actual audio unit. It's a touch screen, so you'll see there you've got phone and settings. You can do it one of two ways. You can either go into settings and then onto Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, or alternatively, just so shows you both ways. If you go into phone and there's nothing connected, all you have to do then is click pair phone.
Vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So we're watching out at the bottom here, Ford Focus. So click Ford Focus.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So that's 925388. Yes, that's correct. Unlikely not to be, unless you're sat on a car park next to another phone. Allow contacts and favourite.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So allow contacts and favourites to sync on your phone. Allow, and over here it's saying Barry's iPhone 12 connected successfully. Automatic contact download. Finish. So I'll click finish, and there you go. That's it done.